Hello, everybody. I'm Michel Janssen, Chief Research Officer for Everest Group, and today I'm here with Sakshi, our Vice President of our Global Sourcing Practice.
Hi, everyone.
So Sakshi, you just finished up a Skilling Strategies for GBS Organization study. It focused on the Pinnacle approach. And our Pinnacle studies are designed to compare one enterprise results to another enterprise. And we focus in on a set of capabilities and look at what kind of outcomes they get from kind of a cause and effect relationship. Why did you choose this topic and why was it so interesting to your clients?
Sure, Michael. Even before COVID-19, organizations were already struggling to future-proof their talent models because of emergence of digital technologies, increasing demand for analytics, and so on. And COVID-19 further accelerated these trends. In today's talent market, it is very important for various organizations to realign their talent with their future priorities and goals. One of the ways in which they can do it is by skilling, upskilling, and reskilling their employees. The market is right now so competitive that hiring has become a big issue. And to generate a proper pipeline for talent, organizations need to invest in skilling.
Okay, so this study allowed you to compare those 5 organizations kind of represented on this chart in the upper right to everybody else in the study, and that allowed you to kind of draw some insights. So what did you find?
Sure. Three major points. From an impact perspective, GBS organizations are already seeing benefit of the investments they are putting in skilling strategies. However, 80% of organizations do not have appropriate tracking mechanisms to track the impact of skilling. So something that GBS organization needs to work on. From a strategic focus perspective, we found that there were 5 pillars which distinguished Pinnacle GBS organizations from others. These were resourcing, investment, collaboration, engagement, and measurement. And I'll talk about 2 which really stand out. One is collaboration. Significant collaboration with the business units to shape and run skilling program has been a cornerstone of success for Pinnacle organizations. Second is engagement. We found that the single biggest deterrent for skilling programs to be successful was the lack of time that employees were able to put in the skilling program. And Pinnacle GBS organizations have devoted significant investment in employee engagement. And finally, the last point, it is still early days for most GBS organizations from a skilling perspective, multiple further steps to be taken. But I think some of the organizations are really stepping in the right direction to define and shape their skilling programs.
All right, fantastic. So I know the study goes much, much deeper than that. You got a lot of quantification. You can really articulate those specific actions and those specific outcomes that I'm sure you have embedded in the results of the study. So if you're interested, reach out to Sakshi on either LinkedIn or myself. Also email, we can be reached at. And we'll be in touch and happy to walk through the results with you. Sakshi, I wanted to thank you for your time.
Thanks, Michael.